Berlin Tempelhof. Today it's not about flight safety, but about safety in the car. eSafety Challenge is an initiative of the European Commission. This promotes the advancement of electronic assistance systems. Industry representatives present their newest innovations. At the cutting edge, of course, is Daimler AG. Only last year, they won a European Commission award for their long-standing commitment to automobile safety. At the eSafety Challenge, Mercedes-Benz is represented by a professional racing driver. Nico Rosberg tells us what he thinks of the assistance systems before he goes onto the test track with the E-Class. I drive a Mercedes C-Class, and you don't notice them when you're driving normally. Only when you get into extreme situations, and so I think that this is a very good thing. And to prove that this good thing is a reality at Mercedes-Benz, it's onto the test track. In front of a professional audience, the 25-year-old demonstrated how a vehicle reacts in critical situations with and without the assistance systems. The focus was on the active brake assist, the active blind spot assist, and ESP. So now we come to the ESP test. I have to avoid an obstacle, and without ESP I go into a skid. In the tumult of Formula One racing, dangerous situations like these are no rarity. In my racing car, I'd love to have an ABS system and the ESP system too. It must be refined, of course, and extremely good, so that it corrects even minimal skids when I'm coming out of a bend. At the end of the event, the fact remains that the best passengers are the electronic assistance systems.